Krishna, can you hear us?
அவங்க கேட்கலாம், நீங்க பேசுறது கேட்கலாம். லாஸ்ட் டைம் இதே மாதிரி தான் ஆச்சு.
அப்ப என்ன பண்ண ஸ்பீக்கர் ஃபோன் போட்டு
லாஸ்ட் டைம் அவர்
போட்டு அது ஆன்லைன்ல
வரலையே.
சாப்பிடு, ஸ்பூன்ல எடுத்து சாப்பிடு.
We can hear you, Amma.
Jai Shri Krishna, Amma.
बड़ा कहते हैं यार, वायर ब्राश में सारे टाइप आता है, हाल मंडी चाहिए ये बात ना, the setting लोग बैठ बरबोड़ी पढ़ना, last time आप उसने बोला है,
அதுதான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
Jai Shri Krishna.
ஏன்
ஸ்பூன்ல எடுத்து சாப்பிட்டுடா தங்கம்.
அது எடுத்துடலாமா? ஜெய் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணா.
जय श्री कृष्ण अम्मा।
जय श्री कृष्ण. जय श्री कृष्ण.
ठीक है तो
जय श्री कृष्णा अम्मा।
जय श्री कृष्ण. Can you hear me?
Yes अम्मा।
Oh, I can hear you also.
Amma.
Thank you अम्मा।
जय श्री We'll start the katha.
Yeah.
जय श्री कृष्ण अम्मा।
जय श्री कृष्ण.
ना सारी करती बोलना था,
हनुमान जी जय श्री राम பண்ணல இன்னைக்கு பண்ணிக்கலாம், அப்பதான் சரியா வரும். ஹரே கிருஷ்ணா. जय श्री राम. भीमातीर निवासाय पंढरीपुर वासिने पांडुरंग प्रकाशाय विठलाय नमो नमः. मरुत्पुत्राय कवये भीमाय भयहारिणे श्रीमदानंद तीर्थाय प्रख्याताय नमो नमः. शिवतनय वरिष्ठं सर्वकल्याणमूर्तिं परशुकमलहस्तं शोभितं मोदकेन अरुणकुसुममाला व्याललम्बोदरं तं मम हृदय निवासं श्री गणेशं नमामि. कृष्णव्रता कृष्णमनुस्मरन्तः रात्रौ च कृष्णं पुनरुत्थितायै ते कृष्णदेहा प्रविशन्ति कृष्णम्. आज्यं यथा मन्त्रहुतं हुताशे बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनूमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्. चित्रैः गम्भीरै वाक्यमानैरखण्डितैः गुरुभावं व्यञ्जयन्ती भाति श्री जयतीर्थवाक्. प्रणमत्कामधेनुं च भजत्सुरतरूपमं श्रीभावबोधकृत्पाद चिन्तामणिमुपास्महे. पूज्याय राघवेन्द्राय सत्यधर्मरताय च भजतां कल्पवृक्षाय नमतां कामधेनवे. अन्नपूर्णे सदा पूर्णे शङ्करप्राणवल्लभे ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यर्थं भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती. हयग्रीव हयग्रीव हयग्रीवेति यो वदेत् तस्य निस्सरते वाणी जन्नुकन्या प्रवाहवत्. राकाचन्द्रसमानकान्तिवदना नाकाधीराजस्तुता मूकानामपि कुर्वती सुरधुनी नीकाश वाक्वैभवं. श्रीकाञ्चीनगरी विहाररसिका शोकापहन्त्री सताम् एका पुण्यपरम्परा पशुपते आकारिणी राजते. सत्यं विधातुं न च वृत्यभाषितं व्याप्तिं च भूतेषु अखिलेषु चात्मनः अदृश्यत अत्यद्भुतरूपमुद्वहन् तं भेसभायां न मृगं न मानुषं. नरसिंह na mrigam, na manusham. My humble obeisance to the Lord of Vrindavan and Guruvayur, Shri Krishna, to Shri Rama, the Lord of Ayodhya, to Ma Lakshmi, Ma Saraswati and Ma Sita, to Mahadeva and Ma Kali, to Siddhivinayak Maharaj and Subramanya Swami, to the exemplary devotee Shri Hanumanji, and to all the devotees of the Lord who are listening to the Bhagavatam. By the grace of the Lord, we start with a traditional prayer. Samsara sagare magnam deenam mam karunanidhe karma moha grahitangam mamuddhara bhavarnavat Srimat Bhagavatakyoyam pratyaksha Krishna evahi स्वीकृतोऽसि मया नाथ मुक्त्यर्थं भवसागरे मनोरथो मदीयोऽयं सफलः सर्वथा त्वया निर्विघ्नेनैव कर्तव्यो दासोऽहं तव केशव शुकरूपा प्रबोधज्ञा सर्वशास्त्रविशारदा एतत् कथा प्रकाशेन मदज्ञानं विनाशय वन्दे नन्दव्रजस्त्रीणां पादरेणुम् अभीक्ष्णशः यासां हरिकथोद्गीतं पुनाति भुवनत्रयम्. By the grace of the Lord, on your behalf and my own, we thank all the devotees of the Lord, patrons of Kshetrapasana, who have made it possible for us to do the Katha day after day for so many days, so many weeks, so many months. May all these devotees of the Lord grow from strength to strength, joy to joy, prosperity to prosperity, and may they continue to do the noble work which they have undertaken. With this, we fall in tune with the divine and sing the Govinda Damodara Stotra. Agri Purunam Atha Pandavanam Dushasanena Kritavastrakesham Krishna Tadakroshavanam Yanatha Govinda Damo Dharmadhaviti 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 Shri Krishna Vishnu Madhukai Tumhare Bhaktanukampin Bhagavan Murare Raya Swamam Keshava Lokanatha Govinda Damo Dharmadhaviti 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 Vaktum samarthopi navakti kachiti aho jananam vyasanabhimukyam jikvi pibasva jikve pibasva jikve pibasvamritam ye deva Govinda Damo Dharmadhaviti Govinda Damo Dharmadhaviti Govinda Damo Dharmadhaviti Govinda Damo Dharmadhaviti Govinda Damo Dharmadhaviti. By the grace of the Lord, I remembered an old song which came to me in Vrindavan. I said, Master, I asked all of you to wear red, so I got a red chudri for myself, which Mrs. Shashi Agarwal of Noida gave it to me. I said, I'll wear it for the Katha for you. My dear listeners, it's a song which is very dear to my heart. I asked the Lord, give me a song which makes me your bride. I got engaged to Krishna on the banks of the Yamuna. Bihari ji called me. Now my mother's house, which is the world, is of no interest. I want to go to my in-laws' place, and that is Vrindavan. The only relative is my Lord. Jnana is my tika, and bhakti is my blouse. Vairagya is my kankan, and kripa, grace of the Lord, is the palanquin that carries me. Men and women of the world, bid me goodbye. I'm going to the Lord. Ever since I became devoted to the Lord, my mind was wandering all over the world. But then I was going all over the world, but my mind was going back to Vrindavan. I cannot bear this separation from Vrindavan. That is what the song means for those who don't understand Hindi. बिहारी ने बुलाया तो मैं चली आई कि जमुना की तट पे हो गई सगाई. बिहारी ने बुलाया तो मैं चली आई कि जमुना की तट पे हो गई सगाई. मैं काला गे फीका, दुनिया का मैं काला गे फीका, जाना है ससुराल. अब सारे नाते झूठे, देखो एक ही गोपाल. दुनिया वालों कर लो अब दुल्हन की विदाई. दुनिया वालों कर लो अब दुल्हन की विदाई कि जमुना के तट पे हो गई सगाई. ज्ञान है मेरा टीका और भक्ति मेरी चोली. वैराग्य कंकण और कृपा बनी है डोली. दुनिया वालों कर लो अब दुल्हन की विदाई कि जमुना के तट पे हो गई सगाई. बिहारी ने बुलाया तो मैं चली आई कि जमुना के तट पे हो गई सगाई. कृष्ण प्रेम लागा तब से भाग हमरा जागा. कृष्ण प्रेम लागा तब से भाग हमरा जागा. मैं तो गई घूमने पर मन तो व्रज को भागा. मैं तो गई घूमने पर मन तो व्रज को भागा. अब सही नहीं जाए ये व्रज से जुदाई. अब सही नहीं जाए ये व्रज से जुदाई कि जमुना के तट पे हो गई सगाई. कि जमुना के तट पे हो गई सगाई. बिहारी ने बुलाया तो मैं चली आई. बिहारी ने बुलाया तो मैं चली आई कि जमुना के तट पे हो गई सगाई. जय जय श्री राधे. जय जय श्री राधे. जय जय श्री राधे श्याम. Thank you. By the grace of the Lord, we go back to the Bhagavatam. Yes, a couple of shlokas with Muchukunda. I hope you remember in the Purva Katha Prasanga, I stopped with Satsanga. What happens when you have Satsanga? One minute. What happens with Satsanga? Muchukunda is telling the Lord, Bhava pavargo brahmato yada bhave janasya tarhi achyuta satsamagamaha. First time I've come across such a phrase. When do you meet good people, godly people? Only when you have ceased to be attached to material things. Very strange, no? I've never come across this. When do you meet satsang? Only when all our karma, bad karma is gone and good karma has come. That is the time when you have bhava apavargo brahmato yada bhavet. That time, That time you will see that you will meet good people. Janasya tarhi achyuta satsamagamaha. Achyuta satsamagamaha. Good people's company will arrive only then. And what happens when good people come into your life? Satsangamo yadhi tadaiva sadgatau paravareshe tvai jayate matihi. When you meet good people, what do you discuss? God. What else? Only God. I don't think when bhaktas meet bhaktas, they ask about the share market or the price of potatoes. No. You're only asking, what is the episode in the Bhagavatam today? What have you done in the, what is the puja you did today? What is the naivedyam you offered today? These are the things that we generally talk about when we meet bhaktas, because these are the topics, breaking news. Otherwise, ordinary people talk about ordinary things. I always tell my worldly friends, please record what you are talking on the phone and play it back. You will commit suicide because you're so foolish. Stupid things we are asking each other. Stupid things. What does it matter what you cooked for breakfast? Once in a way, okay. We eat idli sambar, you eat samosa. That is all. What is the big difference? Ask about the Lord. That is the word which talks about the Lord. Those are the ears that listen to the Lord's glory. The Master has given us sense organs in order to enjoy the bliss of his subjects. जिसकी नजर उसको देखे कितना खुश नसीब है, जो उसको देख सके वो ही आंख आंख है, जो उसकी तुलसी सूंघे वो ही नाक नाक है, जो उसकी कथा सुने वो ही कान कान है, जिसकी नजर उसको देखे कितना खुश नसीब है, जो उसको देख सके वो ही आंख आंख है. सत्संगमो यदि तदैव तद्गतौ परावरेशे त्वयि जायते मतिः. O master, this, when he meets satsanga, he has devotion to you, master. I don't want anything else, my Lord. You've shown me mercy. My attachment to the kingdom has gone. Such a freedom is what is prayed by saintly kings who want to go into the forest. I'm sure you know there have been kings and kings in our Puranas who are tired of administration. That is why whenever they talk of our beloved Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji, they say he will rule and finally disappear into the forest one day. That's exactly what our great Indian kings did. Because somewhere you have to draw a line and go back to Godhead. Go back to the master of the world. Na kamaye anyam tava pada sevanat akinchana prarthyatamat varam. Nothing is greater than coming to you, Master. Vibho aradhyakastvam hi apavargadam hare. He who does your aradhana, O Master, Pranita Aryo Varam Atma Bandhanam. Will anybody ask for bandhana when you are the giver of liberation? You are the giver of liberation. As I wrote in one of my messages, how can you ask pebbles from a diamond merchant? You can't ask for pebbles from a diamond merchant. Pebbles are asked by beggars. We are the rich children of the Lord. We ask for diamonds. Payo di maine Ram Ratan Dhan payo. That is how we get the best from the Lord. And you know what the Lord calls him? Sarvabhauma. What a lovely address. Emperor, he calls him. Who is an emperor? Who can give up everything. You understand? Not one who possesses. One who dispossesses is called an emperor. Sarvabhauma Maharaja. Krishna is calling Muchukunda Sarvabhauma Maharaja Matiste Vimalorjitam. Powerfully pure mind is yours. Varai pralobhitasyapi na kamair vihatayata. Very strange. I laid a whole banquet of boons. How do you like the phrase? A banquet of boons before you. You didn't ask for it. You said, I don't want anything. I just want your bhakti. That is all you said. Pralobhito varairyatvam apramadaya viddhitat na dhirekanta bhaktanam ashibhir vidyate kvachit. The mind, dhi means mind, the intelligence of my devotees is never diverted to material things. They don't want material things. My master is asking the Lord, is asking his bhakta, you are devoted to me, Muchukunda, and because, as the previous narration told you, he had killed many kings, many demons, and so on. So all that sin is there. You have to get rid of it. You will go all over the world, but your mind will be fixed on me. You will have unfailing devotion to Bhyam Bhakti Astvameva Nityada Tubhyam Bhaktir Mai Anapayini. You will have fearless bhakti in me, and you will go all over the world. And then you have to get rid of that sin. And later on, in your next life, you will become an excellent Brahmana and the greatest well-wisher of all creatures, and you will come to me. Janmani Anantare Rajan Sarvabhuta Suhrittamaha Bhutva Dvijavarastvam Vai Mam Upeshwasi Kevalam. You will come and meet me. You will commune with me. This is what the Lord said. This is what the Lord said to Muchukunda. Here comes to an end the famous episode of Muchukunda. We pass on to the episode of Mother Rukmini. I'm sure all of you, those of you who are grandparents, have had this question asked by your grandchildren. When did you get married? How did you get married? What was grandfather wearing? What were you wearing? Don't worry. All those fashions have come back now. No? All that my grandmother wore has come back. Those short sleeves, everything has come back. All those ancient jewelry, everything is in vogue now. Nothing new is new. Everything new is old. I hope you understand. That is how the great Parikshit is also going to ask. I want to know the Lord, after the Lord blessed Muchukunda, there comes a question from Parikshit. I want to know, because Shukadeva mentions Bhagavan api Govinda upayeme kurutvaha Vaidarbhim Bhishma Kasutam Shriyo Matram Swayamvare. I tell you, Parikshit, that the Lord got married to Rukmini. Oh, please tell me, Bhagavan Bhishma Kasutam Rukminim Ruchirananam Rakshasena Vidhanena Upayeme iti Shrutam. There are three types of weddings according to our scriptures. One is the Gandharva Vivaha. The second is the Rakshasa Vivaha. The third is the Vaidika Vivaha. Gandharva Vivaha is when men and women love each other even without meeting. They have known about each other. In their mind of minds, in their heart of hearts, they belong to each other. At least those who are new to me, I must entertain you. These days, children are the limit, I tell you. One young girl comes and tells me, Amma, please bless my fiancé. I said, where is he? He's in the laptop. He's in US. So I have to bless this fellow who is in US. I said, open the laptop. Let me see his picture. And high-tech blessing. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadike Sharanye Trambike Gauri Narayani Namostuta. Blessing I have to do. Somewhere the blessing has to reach that fellow. I hope you understand. This is what I call Gandharva Vivaha. You understand? The second is Rakshasa Vivaha. Most of our children decide. The moment they meet somebody, impulsively, they make a choice. Later on, they can repent. That is different. But most of them make a choice and they elope. That is the Rakshasa Vivaha. It's as old as that. You understand? Nothing new. The third is the Vaidika Vivaha. I feel very sad when modern children, just because they are working for IT corporates earning lakhs and lakhs of rupees. They defy their parents, print their own wedding invitation, and say, I invite you to my wedding. I feel horrified. Horrified is the only word I can use. How can you forget your parents on your wedding day? They print the invitation. I say, please write with the best compliments of parents so that people know to whom you are born. You understand? I'm candid. I'm cruel, but I'm correct. I hope you appreciate my candor. I have to tell children, however modern you are, however rich you are compared to your middle class parents, you can't discard them on the eve of your wedding. Without their blessing, your wedding is not complete. Your wedding is not complete. Today, children bring their partners home after having got married. And what does the mother do? Conduct a reception. That is all. What else can she do? In the Marwadi houses, I say you give an athni to your daughter-in-law. Wear this and arti. No, my dear. I'm sad that youngsters are not listening to the katha. Someday they will. Someday they will. That is why I began to speak in English, so that our educated class will come back to our scriptures, which are the treasure house of our tradition. Our scriptures are the treasure house of our tradition. The Lord now is going to take away Mother Rukmini, but he's not going to marry her. He's going to marry her just like Rama refused to marry Mother Sita until Dasharatha was brought. Otherwise, our children, they will marry and bring the wife home and say, this is my wife. Oh God. My dear listeners, look at the way the Bhagavata describes. Bhagavan shrotum ichchami krishnasya amita tejasaha yatha maghada shalvadin jitva kanyam upaharat. The best part about this particular episode is that Krishna is brave as Rama was brave. Rama and Krishna both are brave. They have to outshine other heroes, outsmart other heroes. Only then they can marry the lady of their choice. No wonder you have Krishna and Rama portrayed as men of prowess, men of courage. Brahman, Krishna Katha Punya, Madhvi, Lokam Alapaha, Konu Tripyeta Shanvanaha, Shrutagno Nitya Nutana. How many times I have done the Rukmini Vivaha, but every time I take it up, for me it's new. Nitya Nutanaha, Dine Dine Navam Navam. Every time I start this Katha, I feel, oh, this is the first time I'm doing the Krishna Katha of Rukmini Vivaha. Why? Kono Triptyeta Shanvanaha. Who will say enough? Right at the beginning it was said, only he who wants to kill his soul will say, I don't want Krishna Katha. All of you are fostering your soul. That is why day after day, you're listening to Krishna Katha. All of you know Rukmini Vivaha. How many times you've heard from me? You've heard from others. You have yourself read the Bhagavatam. How many of us know the Bhagavatam again and again we read? And still, when there is Rukmini Vivaha, you're very happy. You feel it's the first time you're listening. Now, Shukadeva says, Raja Sid Bhishmako Nama Vidarbhadipatit Mahan Tasya Pancha Bhavan Putra Kanyika Chavarananam. What strikes me is very significant is Shukadeva is like Valmiki in a hurry. What? To meet Rukmini and Krishna together. Just as Valmiki in one sarga makes the children come into the world, Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrughna. In one chapter, they grow up. In one chapter, they graduate. In one chapter, they're ready for the wedding. The same chapter. How quick. Just imagine. Why? You're asking, Valmiki ji, why are you in a hurry? Because I have to meet Sita Ma. Mohe bhai Sita, mohe bhai Ram, din raat beete, bol Sita Ram. You love mother. You love Mother Rukmini. You love Mother Sita. That is why you're in a hurry. So are we in a hurry. Like the authors, like the narrator called Shukadeva. He says, Raja Sid Bhishmako Nama Vidarbhadipatir Mahan. There was a place called Vidarbha. Vidarbha is even now present in Maharashtra. This Vidarbha is a place where people are by nature philosophic, detached to worldly things. Tasya panchabhavan putra kanyaika cha varanana. Every word in the Bhagavatam is important. He had 5 sons and 1 good daughter, which means sons were not good. No? Otherwise, you should have said 6 children, 6 good children, 5 sons and 1 daughter. If you say 5 sons and 1 good daughter, it means sons were not good. What are their names? Today, we also name our children. How do we name it? The child, half of the father's name, half of the mother's name. It makes no sense at all. Finally, the child also makes no sense. What can you do? I thought, what does this mean? No, half of the father's name, half of the mother's name. I call it verbal carpentry. How can you have a name like that? Have a name which means something, so that accidental Nama Sankirtanam can be there. I think I've told you earlier, when I was born, my mother said, the doctor who operated on her was one Dr. John. And she said, what do you call love in your language? My mother said, Prema. So I was named in the maternity ward as Prema. Please thank the Lord for this good name. It was a Christian woman who gave me this name. And she said, call her love, so that she loves everybody. We should have meaningful names. Otherwise, imagine children not knowing what their name means. Many children ask their parents, what does my name mean? The mother says, half of your father's name, half of my name. The child is not happy because children are prodigious nowadays, very intelligent. Compared to us, they're very intelligent. Sometimes if you have 2 or 3 children, then you name them with the same letter starting as early as Bhishmaka, Rukmyagraju, Rukmarato, Rukmabahu, Rukmakesh, Rukmamali, all starting with Ru. Rukmi, Rukmaratha, Rukmabahu, Rukmakesha, Rukmamali. And what was the name of the sister? Rukmini. Rukmini means golden complexion. She had a golden complexion. Very beautiful she was. She's going to be the Lord's wife. Naturally, she has to be married to the Lord, and she's Shri Swarupa. She's Lakshmi Swarupa. How can she be ordinary? She must be extraordinary. I hope you like the poster. So lovely. Both the posters are so lovely. We thank Ramu Bhaiya and his team for choosing these posters. So Pashrutya. 3rd shloka, she's already grown up. Not only grown up, she's grown up in devotion to Krishna also. So Pashrutya, Sa Upashrutya, Mukundasya, Rupa Virya Gunashriyaham. According to the Sanskrit language, Kanya Varayate Rupam. Every woman wants a tolerably good-looking husband, if not a superstar. No? Everybody can't marry a superstar. That is the problem. So at least a tolerably good-looking husband. And whom is she thinking of? Sakshan Manmatha Manmataha. Zari ki pagdi bandhe. Sundar Akhunwala. Kitno sundar lage bihari. Kitno lage nirala. He is the one, Kesha, Pasha, Ruta, Pinchika, Vitati, Sanchalan, Vakara, Kundalam, Hara, Jalavana, Marika, Lalitam, Angaraga, Gana. So everything about him is Rupa. That is how Adharam Madhuram, Vadanam Madhuram, Nayanam Madhuram, Hasitam Madhuram, Hridayam Madhuram, Gamanam Madhuram, Hridayam Madhuram, Gamanam Madhuram, Madhuradhipater, Akhilam Madhuram, Madhuradhipater, Akhilam Madhuram. Some look nice. When they smile, they look horrible. Some look nice. When they talk, my God, what a gruff voice they have. Some look nice. When they walk, they look so arrogant. Not so, my master. Madhuradhipater, Akhilam Madhuram. She has heard from people when she goes and sits in her father's court. Sa Upashrutya, Mukundasya, Rupa, Virya, Gunashriyaha. She had heard about the Lord's Rupa. Extraordinary beauty, handsome of handsomes. Aksham Manmatha Manmataha. He is the one who churns even the heart of Manmatha. You can imagine. Cupid's heart is churned by the Lord. Why? Because he's so good looking. My master is so good looking. When I think of Rama and Krishna, I tell the Lord, you have all the beauty in the world. What is left over for the world, Master? What is left over for the world? When Sri Rama walks, says Valmiki, Pumsam Mohana Rupaya. Men lost their hearts. What about women? They went crazy. You understand? That is how Sri Rama was. So Rama is so handsome and Krishna is so handsome. What is left in the world called beauty? Rupa. After Rupa, you want a brave husband. You want somebody who will protect you. Virya. All this is not enough without guna. When character is lost, everything is lost. We want a man of character. When you choose a husband, you want a man of character. Have I not told you? Mother Sita is asked by Anasuya, why are you following this fakir into the forest? He doesn't have a credit card. He doesn't have a maid for you. You're going to live on roots and fruits. She says, enough, mother, enough. My husband looks upon every woman as a mother, Kausalya. That is why I follow him. You want a man of character. You want a man of character. Character is not available in the supermarket. No, my dear listeners. It is there or it is not there. That is all. Rupa, Virya, Gunashriyaha. Why do I highlight Guna? Because the first shloka that Mother Rukmini is going to send will highlight this. Shrutva Gunan Bhuvana Sundara Shanvatam Te. It is Guna. When the Ramayana starts, what is it? Konvasmin Sampratam Loke Gunavan Kascha Viryavan. Valmiki is asking, I want a man with 16 qualities. The first is Guna. I want a man of character. I want a man of character. That is how our leader should be. Rupa Virya Gunashriyaha Grahagate Giyamanam Tam Mene Sadrisham Patim. People who came from Dwarka to visit. Whenever you have eligible bridegrooms and eligible brides, people walk between these two families and say, there's a very handsome prince called Krishna. He is there in Dwarka. And he is the best person you could think of for Rukmini. And they go to Dwarka and say, there's a beautiful princess called Rukmini. She's growing in the household of Bhishmaka. She's the right person for Krishna. He has heard about her. She has heard about him. Tam. What does it mean? The Jivatma can ask the Paramatma to accept him or her. But the Lord also has to accept her. My father was a very logical person. Being a professor of philosophy, too much of common sense. That was the problem. He would say, a man finally said, I'm ready to get married. And everybody was very happy because he's ready to get married. He says, I'm ready, but the girl is not ready. What is the use? How can the marriage take place? Logically, both of them, both the Jivatma and the Paramatma, have to agree to marry each other. Marriage is communing, nothing else. The Lord doesn't need a wedding. The Lord is above weddings, above sensuousness, about anything that is worldly or secular. The master of the world, he also came to know about Mother. What I like is Shukadeva's partiality towards Mother Rukmini. Rupa, Virya, Guna, Shriya. Shri means prosperity. These are the only 4 qualities about Sri Krishna that Shukadeva highlights in Krishna. What about Mother? Buddhi, Lakshana, Audarya, Rupa, Sheela, Guna, Shrayam. Oh, she has more qualities. She has Buddhi because she is the one who wrote the letter. The Lord did not propose. It is she who proposed. Sorry to take you to a secular section of our life. Long back, there was a commonsensical playwright called George Bernard Shaw in the 1950s. He said, let the woman propose because men are so stupid. They'll take all their lifetime to say, I love you, will you marry me? So better the woman proposes. And that is what he called trouser hunting and not skirt chasing. How do you like the phrase? 1950 phrase. Better the woman says, and he would say exactly what I wanted to tell you. I hope the men won't mind my saying it. Men are from Mars and women from Venus. It is they who are emotional. It is they who will express their love. So Buddhi, Lakshana, she's got Lakshana. Audarya, she's got charitable heart. Rupa, Sheela, Gunashrayam. Audarya, you will see when the Lord meets Sudama. The Lord is having the pounded rice. Mother Rukmini says, give me a bit of pounded rice because I have to sign the check for him. I have to transfer the money to his account. Please give me some powdered rice. Give me some poha. Aval, please give me, Swami. Don't be selfish enough to have all the pounded rice for yourself. Audarya, Rupa, of course, she's most beautiful. I'll describe her to you in a few minutes or maybe tomorrow. Sheela has got best of the characters. Gunashrayam, she has got Sheela and she has Guna, and she is the repository of all this. Krishna's Cha. The chakara here is very important. Cha means also. Paramatma also, Sadrishim Bharyam, Samudvodhum Manodade. The Lord also desired, I want to marry her. But then, the path of love and the path of God love always has obstacles. That is why our movies are famous. If hero meets heroine and marries in the first scene itself, the movie will end after 10 minutes. But the movie is to go on for 2.5 hours. 18 reels or 17 reels or 16 reels. And all these reels are only about reeling, because father says no, mother says no, brother says no, villain says no, and then there will be problem. And then the hero conquers the villain and opposition and marries. Bandhunam ichchatam datum Krishnaya bhaginim nripa tato nivarya Krishna tvit rukmi chaidyam amanyatam. There was only one man in the as an obstacle for this beautiful God love story. Rukmi was his name. He said, no, my sister will marry my friend. She will not marry Krishna. Although all the others, bandhus, all the other relatives said, Krishna is the best choice, Krishna is the best choice, the only choice. He said no. According to history, you have known, when the first son becomes very powerful, the old father becomes helpless. He can't take any decision. It is the eldest son who rules the family. He said, Rukmi decided, my sister will marry my friend. And what is this great man's name? Shishupala. In Sanskrit, Sarva Dosha Sampanna Sarva Guna Rahita. You can't find a single guna in him, and you can find all the faults in him. He did not spare a single sin. That is Shishupala. I tell people, when you're choosing a bridegroom for your daughter, sister, granddaughter, niece, whoever it is, please look for character. Don't go after money. Money transfers can be made, but guna transfers cannot be made. You can't say, let me give 10 pounds of my guna to my son-in-law. You can't do that. Because either he has guna or he has no guna. Please remember, choose middle-class people. Doesn't matter even if you're upper class, but choose good ones. Tadev, what happened? Poor Vaidarbhi. Vaidarbhi is Rukmini. She's sad. Durmana brisham vichintya aptam dvijam kanchit krishnaya prahinodrutam. What did this lady do? She was very sad. She thought, let me send a message. And the message is through a messenger. According to the Bhagavatam, it is that some Brahmin. All commentators say it must have been Shukadeva. He doesn't want the world to know that Mother Rukmini bowed down to him at the end of the episode. Just like Sri Rama hugged the Lord's devotee Hanumanji, and the only way he could repay him for what he had done. Similarly, Mother Rukmini, Nanamasa, she bowed down to him. He didn't want the world to know it was Shukadeva who went. Kanchit, some Brahmin went. And what did he do? Dwarakamsa samabhyetya pratiharaid praveshitaham apashyat adyam purusham asinam kanchanasane. He reached Dwaraka. The Brahmana is brought inside by the gatekeepers, because any Brahmin in Dwaraka is respected even by the gatekeepers. And he saw the Lord sitting on the golden throne. Apashyat adyam purusham Asinam Kanchanasane. He is sitting on the golden throne. What happened thereafter? We will see tomorrow. May the Lord fulfill all your dharmic desires. Please bless me as long as I live. Let me carry this message of faith and grace wherever I go. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishnam, Yatra Partho Dhanurdharaha, Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhutir, Dhruvane Tirmatir Mama. Narayana 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 Bolo Narayana 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 Krishna Narayana 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 Satya Narayana Narayana Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna Yatra Partho Dhanurdharaha Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhutir Dhruvani Tirmatir Mama. God willing, we meet tomorrow at 7 o'clock.
Thank you, Amma. Thank you very much.
जय
जय
श्री
श्री
कृष्ण
कृष्ण।
माँ जय
Radhe Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna
Didi.
श्री कृष्ण दीदी।
Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank you so
Jai
much.
Shri
Jai Shri
Krishna.
Krishna Amma ji. Thank you so much.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank you, Amma.
Jai
Jai
Shri
Shri
Krishna.
जय श्री कृष्ण अम्मा।
Jai Shri
Jai Shri Krishna
Jai
Amma.
Shri.
Krishna Didi. Jai Shri
Pranam,
Krishna.
Amma. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna, Amma ji.
Jai Shri Krishna Didi.
Jai Shri
Jai
Krishna.
Shri Krishna Didi.
Jai Shri
Jai Shri Krishna, Amma.
Jai
Jai
Shri
Shri
Krishna,
Krishna.
Amma. Jai Shri
Jai
Krishna.
Shri Krishna.
जय श्री कृष्ण
Jai Shri Krishna. We'll meet tomorrow.